After a snowstorm, one of the most expensive problems homeowners don't realize it's happening until it's too late is right on top of their roof. When snow builds up on your roof and then starts to melt, it can refreeze along the edges and create what's called an ice dam. That ice blocks the water from draining properly, so instead of flowing off the roof, the water backs underneath the shingles. This is when leaks can begin. Sometimes you will see them right away on the ceiling or the walls, but other times the water travels down inside the structure and you may not notice it until it shows up in your basement. If ice dams are not caught early enough, the repairs can be very costly, including drywall damage, insulation, mold, roof repairs. So check your home after every snowstorm.